Hello, my dear audience. If you are having problem with Gameloop with an error problem like this, then I am showing you how to solve it very quickly. First, you have to close the window. Okay. Then search in the search bar, control panel. Open it. Okay. Then you will find program and features. Click on it. Then you will find Gameloop option. Double click on it. Click yes. Okay, you can see two options in the screen. Which one is uninstall and one is repair. Click on repair now, and the game loop will be repairing. I think it is done. No, it is still processing. Oh yes, so the game loop has repaired itself and you can see the result. I'm closing it and trying to reopen it. Yes, it is functional now, as you can see. Thanks for watching. If you find it helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.